The LG oven F9 error code indicates a problem with the heating element, specifically occurring when the oven is unable to reach its required temperature. Common causes of this error include issues with starting the oven, a faulty printed circuit board, or problems with the power supply. To address this issue, several solutions can be applied. Firstly, resetting the oven can resolve the problem. Turn off the oven, unplug it from the power source, and allow it to cool down for a few minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on. Additionally, checking the printed circuit board is crucial. Switch off the oven, locate the circuit board, and verify if its wires are loosely connected. If the circuit board is faulty, consider replacing it with a new one. It is also essential to check the power supply, as an insufficient supply can trigger the error. To do this, turn off the oven, unplug it, and ensure it has a strong power supply before turning it back on.